How to play Roblox in full screen mode. So first, if you are already in the Roblox player, you want to right click or press escape button to open up the settings. And from here, you want to go to the settings tab and scroll down till you see full screen right here. And then currently it's turned off. You want to click on the arrow to turn it on. Now that should turn the game into full screen mode. Now you can press resume to go back to the game, and it's in full screen mode currently. You can also press Shift F11 to switch between windowed mode and full screen mode like that. Hold Shift and press F11 to switch between those. And another solution, if this still does not work for you, is to close completely the game and shut down the Roblox player. And then try to reinstall the game by right-clicking on the Start button and then go to Apps and Features or Installed Apps in Windows 11. Search for Roblox and then click on Roblox and click on Uninstall. You will also need to uninstall Roblox Player as well. And once both of these are uninstalled, you want to open up your browser again and search for Roblox Player. And then click on download Roblox, which is the second link here. And then click on download Windows app. You can also get it from Microsoft Store, which is pretty much the same. Now, once this is downloaded, you should simply run the Roblox player installer again. And it should start installing Roblox again on your computer. Now, once it's installed, you should simply run the game and do the previous steps where you can change to full screen mode from the settings or pressing Shift and F11 to switch between windowed mode and full screen mode. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.